The Thermo MyECL Imager is a standalone platform for one-touch imaging of polyacrylamide gels and Western blots for protein detection and agarose gels for nucleic acid detection. Let's look at capturing chemiluminescent Western blot images. After preparing a Western blot with chemiluminescent substrate, place the membrane onto the black exposure screen and place that onto the glass sample platform of the imager. After sliding in the platform and closing the sample chamber door, touch the Chemi tab to ensure that the right settings are available for chemiluminescent detection. The interactive Chemi function is the easiest and fastest way to capture the image you want. Instead of capturing multiple exposures trying to get the best band intensity, this function uses an initial 15-second exposure to predict the exposure time that will yield the best dynamic range of your blot with the least amount of band saturation, which is indicated in red. If you want to adjust the intensity of your bands of interest, simply drag the exposure slider bar or tap the time display to see the predicted band intensity at the selected exposure time. The invert button can also be used to view faint bands by presenting a negative image of your blot. Once the right exposure time has been selected, touch Acquire to capture the image. Western blot images can also be captured manually using the keypad, which has preset exposure times to enable rapid signal capture. A single touch of any of these buttons, and the system automatically captures an image of your blot at the selected exposure time. If the blot is overexposed or the signal is weak, simply select another preset or custom exposure time to capture another image. Because all images associated with the blot are saved together, you can try different exposure times without losing any data. The Multi button allows you to capture a series of exposures. This functionality includes 5 preset exposure series and the ability to build your own multi-exposure series. The MyECL Imager has 4 options to modify captured images. Besides display saturation and invert, auto contrast automatically adjusts the contrast between the signal and background to increase band visibility, and adjust image allows you to modify the gamma, white, and black levels to optimize the image contrast. Other options adjust the camera settings, view and edit image information, export the image to a USB memory stick, and print or delete the image. The MyECL Imager has all of the functionality needed for one-touch data capture from Western blot analysis, without the need for film, a developer, and a darkroom.